I love FASTSIGNS. I'm very glad that I get to work with amazing customers on amazing projects and help bring their ideas to life. The Red Rocks vision for this project was to completely redo their visitor center that opened over 20 years ago. Every single exhibit was redone from top to bottom.
Being a resident of Colorado, Red Rocks is one of the things that we love to brag on when visitors come to our state. We just know that they wanted to express that pride that we have in the state of Colorado and the city of Denver into this venue. So one of the big challenges is just the sheer breadth and depth of all the signs and graphics here. We have cast bronze plaques, we have wall graphics. There's large pylons outside that needed to be removed and refabricated to put back up. We had to create ways for them to display and rotate out artist posters. They rotate through these every 6 months. They'll put in different artists, and so we had to fabricate something that could be reused and still protect the posters. There was literally 15 different sign types, and within each sign type there might be 10 or 15 different signs. So we're literally talking hundreds of signs, all of which are fabricated differently or slightly differently than all the other ones.
It's pretty cool that so many people get to see this and so many people get to enjoy and learn and everything about what Red Rocks is and where it came from, and it's a cool thing to be a part of that.
I mean, as you guys can see, the visitor center is packed, and even as I was finishing up signs, there's people behind me kind of oohing and ahhing as I'm doing my final touches.
This venue brings me so much joy just to come up here and to see what my team created, what they put up. You walk around and you see all of these things telling that story, and it's just joy. So that's what this project really brings me, is the pride of my team and the joy it's bringing to everybody.